Hello, IK here. Welcome to lesson ReactJS adheres to all solid principles. When ReactJS is known by confusion. Why that confusion? Because we don't learn principles. Principles is connections object-oriented with ReactJS. And ReactJS is object-oriented also. Functional programming, a fundament of functional programming is function is object, object is function. And in ReactJS we use functional programming. And here is an example of app.js function app component, and we create this. It would be home page, for example, in this application. We create it without directly typing HTML. We create it by adding this object and this object. This is a React element, but React see it also as object, but it is functional component. But when we call that functional component, we call like this. We call it like this. If there is some inside of it, we call it props, short of properties. Object have properties. HTML element have attribute. And post list also. It is object. We can call it a React element, but it is object. And object, in object, when we create component, in component we must type HTML here, and with component we organize, we sort, we build HTML page, but we build it by components. But every component we build by JavaScript extension. It means mix. It is mix of HTML and JavaScript. But goals of this video is that ReactJS adheres to all solid principles. I used more, I'm going to use more select, separate by concerns. It is first letters in acronym solid, S. Separation by concern, separation by goal. And confusion disappeared when we said how we create component. Okay, we know why we use component by React, because only would be re-rendered only component in which data changes, not all page. And it is a user experience what is the standard today. But what are we thinking about when we create component? Thinking about principles. Letters S here is important. Separation by concern. It means that concretely here, add the post form. In this component, we have only form and local state, and all other about that at post form. Okay, some function connected on submit button. It is event handler, etc. But it is form, only form, and all about that. And here in post list, this component only for post list. And when we see name, it is name of component, strictly focus what component does. Add post form, post list. But we have more. Update post form. Update post form. This is update post form. And up. We have four components here in this crude application. It's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video.